But I don't know. It might be kind of nice for this couple days. But I don't know. That's I just wanted to tell you though before like. That's what I told you late last night. You called me. It's been my first injury, and it was like an eye-opening injury too. Yeah, I want to set the ping pong table. It's like amazing how fast like you can be on top of it and then be low. You can't even do anything. You're like, and you can have surfing taken away that fast. So it was a really big wake-up call for me. This game's all about rhythm. I just tried a backside air and it just popped. It was like the weirdest sound and like hurt and the worst pain of my life. As I was thinking more, I'm like, yeah, it's definitely broken. This sucks. But because my main goal this year was I really wanted to try to make a run to try to qualify for the tour, and I had a couple results early on and just felt like I could have done it, and I just kind of that's kind of what I was thinking about a little bit. But then I didn't worry too much. I was just worried about getting to the hospital, getting the right care, and just getting my ankle back to 100% really.
So how much longer do you think you'll do physical therapy for?
Yeah, probably a while. My ankle's still kind of like, it doesn't hurt at all when I'm surfing, or really at all like when I'm walking fine now and everything, but just for the for getting everything back, and it still gets like pretty swollen, so I'll probably keep coming for quite a while. But I've been coming in every day for like 2 months straight, like 6 times a week and stuff, so I'll probably tone that down probably like 4 times, 3 times.
We're actually going to use a little bit of electricity to kind of stimulate some circulation and some blood flow in the area. We're also going to run what's called cold laser therapy. Cold laser helps to decrease scar tissue formation, but it also helps with increasing circulation.
When he first came in, it was all about getting him healed, getting that thing to knit together. Now we're kind of in the performance phase, which is faster than he was, what we were kind of expected.
1,032. 1,000.
Let's see what year.
This chick's gonna be so rattled right now. She was beating my ass.
And if you're not looking up and down the chain, you can change the pain, but not change the dysfunction.
And that's where I'm going to go to adjust.
Rich ran it.
It's crazy. Like the doctor said I wouldn't be surfing until like maybe mid-September or something like that. So they thought there was no chance of me doing the U.S. Open. So that's the craziest thing about this whole thing. I'm not even supposed to be surfing the U.S. Open or surfing at all right now. So just to actually be back and feeling comfortable enough to surf it, I'm super excited. And to be the U.S. Open, it's my favorite event of the year, and I'm just really hoping I can do well. I'm excited for it.
Now he's ready for this. At first, of course, we would never try this.
Today, like surfing, it was a fun session. It was I didn't surf crazy or good or anything. I'm just enjoying surfing. I'm not taking anything for granted. I'm having fun when I'm out there. Yeah, that was my daily morning for the last 2.5 months. Now we're gonna go to my house, get some boards, get my brother, go down and try to rip lowers. We'll see. Hopefully we rip lowers. My plan now, I just want to, now I'm focusing all on my ankle. I want to be surfing better than better than I was before. So if I can do that, I'm going to be really happy. And then just keep doing comps this year and then just regroup next year and make another run. That's kind of the only thing you can do, and just enjoy what I'm doing. Like I said, as long as I'm enjoying it and having fun, I'm happy.
Sweet.
Cool, that's it.
We're good.
That was
Yeah.
easy. That's it, guys. That was fun. Oh my god, I got so sunburnt today. I'm so fried.